Hi everybody, I'm Maddie and I'm going to be doing this practice problem. It's number 29 from 5.1. So right now I'm just kind of writing down what the problem is in the book, so nothing to really talk about. Okay, the first thing we're going to have to figure out is if we want to do the integral of dy or dx first. So I decided to switch it and do the dx integral first. And then looking at this, I figured out that e to the x plus 4y, you can break that up into e to the 4y times e to the x. So I decided to break that up to kind of make this easier to do when we go to do the antiderivative. And so then I just rewrote the problem with e to the 4y and e to the x. And then because we're doing the dx integral first, we can go ahead and pull out the e to the 4y and act like it's a constant instead of having to deal with that and put it in front of the dx integral. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and do the dx integral and actually figure out the antiderivative. So I ended up getting e to the x times x minus e to the x from 0 to 1. And then if you plug in 1 and 0, that e to the x times x minus e to the x is equal to 1. So then 1 times e to the 4y is e to the 4y. So then you're just left with the dy integral from 1 to 2 of e to 4y. And then use u substitution to solve this integral. You can kind of do whatever use substitution method you prefer. I went ahead and changed the bounds of the integral and just did it that way because that's what I like to do. And then same thing we kind of did earlier, go ahead and take out the constant and put it in front of the integral. And then, yeah, the antiderivative of e to the x is just e to the x, so you end up with 1/4 e to the u from 4 to 8, and then you plug that in, you get 1/4 times e to the 8th minus e to the 4th. Or you can go ahead and write it just as e to the 8th minus e to the 4th over 4. You know, whatever you prefer. And that's just about it. I'm going to go ahead and zoom out here. So if you want to just like pause it and look at everything all at once, you can do that. Otherwise, that's it. Thanks.